The nail is an appendage of the skin. Usually it's a dead part of the skin. It's fully made of a protein called keratin.
First impressions last. It may sound cliche to many, but you can never deny the dismissing look a person gives you when they see dirty, broken, uncared for nails.
Where the nail cells.
And for sure, nails are signs of a person's hygiene.
The major care for the nails is first hygiene.
For many, all that matters to them is that they wash their hands and keep off dirt. That's it. But there's more to it.
When you wash your nails properly, make sure you moisturize them. Moisturizing the nails actually ensures that your nail has elasticity, and therefore it can actually have stretching ability without having to break.
There are several factors that threaten the health of our nails, making them frail and weak. Some of which are chemically based, such as polishes, nail removers, sanitizers, among others.
If you go for nail polishes that have dye as their coloring matter, then you're actually predisposing your nails to harm. When you should actually look for pigments, natural pigments that have been put together to actually form a color or a shade. That one is actually more friendly to the nails, and you may not really end up with stained nails.
And for ladies, who would ever think that ill-fitting shoes would jeopardize the nature of your nails?
We have grooves whereby the nail should be growing in an upward way, in specific margins. So if you wear ill-fitting shoes, especially the pointed toes that we see are quite on trend lately, you end up displacing the grooves of the nail, and you might end up with an ingrown nail, which can be very painful and usually ends up in surgery.
For manicure lovers, here's a caution for you.
The best intervals of one having a manicure is actually twice a month.
If your question is why?
If you start doing your manicuring every 1 week, then again, you're overburdening the nails. It's a bit too much for the nails to handle.
According to nail experts, nails get damaged gradually, and it is at this stage that they need a lot of fixing if they are to retain the normal beauty. While there may be some external causes for these disorders, there are also some underlying medical conditions or perhaps side effects of other disorders like fungal and viral infections whose symptoms include
there is reddening, and sometimes it might actually form pus from within. So in this situation, especially when you're experiencing pain and the pulse there's a bit of pulsing around the nails, so it's a really uncomfortable feeling.
And what next?
The best thing to do when you are experiencing either fungal, viral, or bacterial infections is to see a doctor.
If you get to a point whereby you see veins on your hands or see them with blotches of red and discoloration, or when your nails are specked with white spots and often break, there is hope for you.
If your nails are too brittle and they keep breaking, you can give it a hot oil treatment at home. Just put some warm water, add a few drops of oil, and soak them inside that. And you can do this at least once every week.
Nails are a very important part of our bodies, and more often than not, we tend to ignore them, forgetting that without them, life can be impossible or even difficult. Mala Kivila, Healthy You.